PW18, my lord.
From behind and the side, the first victim who took the shots was my daughter. And I heard her shout, "Jesus!" And she fell on my lap. I realized that my driver could no longer move the vehicle. And I saw his head drop, which meant that he had been shot. From then until now, of course, I'm scared for life. I'm protective. I'm not so outgoing again as I was before. But one thing I've noticed, which has not happened to me, is to hate people. The screws which had been used to put the metal plate had all fallen out. So the pain was so much that I was advised that I better get speedier attention than what I was getting. It's not that I thought.
Tambula bulungi abajulizi bonna 18 bakaleeta tewali mujulizi yenna sofa ayogedde nti alaba bakilansi baffe bonna. Tukyalina essuubi ng'era amateeka gagamba nti bakyali oba tukyalina essuubi okulaba nga buli kimu kitambula bulungi era omusango tebaaguza paka kooti weenasalawo.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.